We're at Gebauer Tile and Stone in Westmont, Illinois. We had a large job with about 115 slabs of quartz and porcelain.
I mean, miles and miles of mitering.
We were not sure if our previous ridge saw could handle the job, so it was time to upgrade.
So we bought a Voyager. Been wonderful for cutting the porcelain, incredible for the mitering. The speeds are just through the roof. It's night and day difference. Besides the machine being great, definitely having the park team on our side has been really helpful. That big job that we had pushed us into the corner where we had to do it. We're stubborn stone guys, didn't want to move, and we got forced into making the move. So my biggest regret, really, is that we didn't do this sooner.